Guys, this is another wonderful tutorial that is coming today. I'm showing you now is how to make millions of dollars with this OpenAI. Guys, this software, this site is amazing. Like seriously, this site is amazing. Either you are a freelancer, either you work from home, either you are a programmer, this site will give you everything that you can be looking for. You don't have to stress yourself, you don't have to stress yourself much on things. Just come to ai.com, then you will see a lot of things that you can do with this Chat GPT. So let's go on, guys. Let me show you how powerful this tool is. You can come here. Let's open this. And this is charts. As in, you can do a lot of things on this. You can do a lot of things, most especially if you are a writer. Maybe you are working on freelancer, you are working on Fiverr, you are working on people per hour, any freelancer site that you are working. Guys, this OpenAI, this Chat GPT will really help you. This is where the wonders and the amazing things are happening. So guys, let's just assume that your niche is article writing, traveling, article writing, and a client tell you that okay, you should just write any attraction or top attraction for in California. Guys, this software will help you to generate everything without any copyright issue. Guys, let me show you what this thing can do. Let's search for top attraction in California. Guys, you can see this software will give you everything that you're looking for. It will give you every details, everything you're looking for. Guys, try and use this software. You can make a lot of money on freelancer platform, working from home. You can write articles, you can do assignments, you can write letter, it can generate anything. It's more faster than Google. Guys, this is your top attraction in California. All what you have to do is just to copy this, add 1 or 2 images to it, then deliver to your clients, and even the clients will give you the tips. Guys, let's check for another thing. Let's search for another thing. Let's search for another thing to see that yes, this software is really good. Let's ask this software to write a code for us. Guys, you can see this will give you the exact this will give you everything that you are looking for. Guys, you can see the API code, PHP. You can see it will generate everything that you need. Guys, try this software, use this software to make a lot of money with your daily activities, and come back or comment on my channel. Make sure you subscribe. A lot of things is still coming. I'm working out a lot of things for you guys. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys.